communication has in the recent times become a focus, especially with the present MDA government allocating funds towards construction and repair of roads across the state of Meghalaya. However, in what can be termed as concerted effort, the repair work of one of the suspended wooden footbridges that connects 6 villages under Mawkynrew block had been undertaken by the KHASI Students' Union Mawkynrew Circle out of concern for the general public, especially for students who have been facing difficulties while on their way to school during the rainy season. One of the students who had spoken with media persons informed that there are 2 ways to reach school. One is via the suspended wooden footbridge, while the other is via the village road at Thynroid by means of a public vehicle. They informed that taking the road to school is not often possible, as the fare for public transport is too high for them to afford.
Dangi senai kene tang kanu kibrio kala penculor kene cingking dan nakaliang cingi kena school ban school ngene ban school te Jongksha ngidan kicing ken perliur kentam perliur bacur uslam ban yaj nang ni nawa ru ngimlaj cingking ru kala pralun de ngilak sim tencar ken ngi kisenrang ngidang khaman ban yaj nang ni ban susdin la kasin nang ni ru kikin thei ba pli kimla ban kam nang ni satai ban kam yu niu knang ba bayar hang ni de ki hab ban yaj da ka hab ban yaj no sedien ken ban dam school no ban yaj pat na te na po thang sling ka bai kali si kalong balaj wan kalong cis pasan khau tu te nak liang ngi sim cing ken ban yaj na te ka la bun pala cinglut te dangi yaj nang ni ke cinglut ke khamduna te dangi yaj pat na te cinglut ke la nang wan arsya ken ngi takadaw ki kena skuru umta kelas dangduna ban ya cete namar ki dangduk namar sya thanjungi ki dangduk teki tencar ke
kadala de takam chot henrei ki doi penculor ka pemprai kerdam baliet teh ki por ba kham manswa ki bo ma kena skul bawan chani nakaliang nadun Thynroid ma persang mo ber thadan molali tak spak ngot ki kena ki wan chani teh tana kadaw ba kena cingking bomdon ba sumar bomdon ba pej lalu repair kamar kapor ki piet ki brio ki pencot ki penculor ti ki mek pa ki duk kermen no te hakin ki snam bala dep nakalian chung ki ki pa ko ma kan hikai be kai hante school te ngeliya sinyang pisa ban sai ke tel antang te diang be repair kin cingking te hadian bala repair kum to si snam adot kin cingking ti ki mek pa ki duk kermen lalu kermen ban pa school ki kon chane ba ka school ba hak ba biang ru ki sem cing e be de ni kawa ni por liur te hanus nam bal adep bermentas nam nakalian cungi kena school bawan nang type ngano hikai ngila syua sedian ini cingkiang hakor bah long seban ya lang ba ko ngila syua sedian ni kisainar pon poi stai Shillong.
The president of the KHASI Students' Union Mawkynrew Circle, Song, informed that since the scheme from the government towards repair work of the footbridge had taken too much time, the union, out of concern for students and passers-by, had taken the initiative towards repairing the suspended bridge. He urged upon the government, through the concerned department, to take cognizance of the problems that residents of Thynroid and Jongksha are facing so that a permanent solution could be sought for as far as road communication is concerned.
Kersiam, ia kaki semua berserkal, bagilah hormat yang diciki. Dia kata pulau ini hormat yang diciki. Di apa yang dia diciki pulau, di lebih sekolah kucing. Di nak kata bila persang menegren, bagi dia dalam Shillong, Jongksha, Panolali. Makin saripelem no agak ciki. Henry pasusi kalau ba kino yalam Shillong hi kimla ban asyu kimla ban kina yangi ba lanu lab ban ki up ek skim den ta kana ban up ek skim lanu ngin yo ginum tip den de kino kina school ban kam ban ya ban skim hadir along school mata den ta kana nakale ki siu mo circle hi ora koy ladu business ke tri chok malang yuni sawan safa repair ke siki kumba khandai pungut kit khot kila yo ban sok tilang repair ke siki nakale jungi ni ngimdon ke ban ong ya kino yalam Shillong hendre ngi syukur pa ta ki ba ki de ban simkhya ban sina pa ta ko hamhar marba kan long ban ne sirta ma ngi tip ba kan ke jiki lagi repair mata kala ban ne kumba sansnem marba ta gede sansnem de ginom la ban kina ba kan ne hadu no de sansnem ngila pa tingna pa kan ne